perfect time for you two to form Opal.
Bear tied knots.
Look, I appreciate it, guys, but you could get in really big trouble. Professor, I'm so sorry about this.
So, this is what society has become, hmm? And you, Miss Park, once free, I will personally ensure that you are expelled.
Okay, Chloe, think. What to do? What?
It's his phone.
I got it. Sorry, just let me get in there. Pardon me. Oh, okay. And call.
Hello, Lampwick.
Ah!
Dean Peterson here. Is everything okay? You're missing your class. Just wanted to check in. Hello?
This is Lampwick. I'm feeling ill today. Noxious fumes, all that.
Wait, what? Lampwick?
Okay, maybe we just need to try to just reason this out. Professor, please, let's talk.
Talking won't do you any good now.
And I might get eaten by a giant bird!
Steven!
Steven Jr.! How can you eat at a time like this? Hey, is that the heaven beetle? Let me see it. Hey! Be a good goat and give me the magic bug! I got it! No! Bad goat! You're no son of mine! Ah! What's going on? Steven Jr.!
Might even be worse than your old phone.
Too messy. Too heavy. Where'd that come from? Here. Try this. Ready?
Iceberg's ready.
All right. Fire! Guys, I know things got kind of crazy in there, but thank you so much. You guys are the best friends ever.
Ah, Chloe, no problem.
But, you should transfer to it.
Oh, I'm feeling the bird.
Will you stop working out on me?
Dude, I can't help it. I mean, look at me. How can I stop working out when I look like a total workout machine?
You look like you're going swimming, but, like, in space.
Ice Bear agrees.
You guys are just jealous. Oh, check out these gear bars. It's supposed to give you crazy energy.
Ice Bear needs crazy energy to figure out what to do today.
I'm gonna be drawing a lot of people today. I mean, you think it'll help?
Huh, I think these have nuts, man. Oh, this is my stop, yo. All right, remember, guys, success isn't given, it's earned at the gym.
Okay. Look, I'm gonna go find a spot to draw to.
Ice Bear forgot to make plans for himself.
So you'll figure something out. You know, you're good at stuff. Okay, see you.
Look at this guy.